So this is a tweet from Elon Musk a few days ago showing a tweet that is not related to Pepe Coin, but nonetheless it is a Pepe meme, and this brought a lot of attention toward the Pepe Coin, and this brought a lot of questions towards Pepe Coin. Will one day Elon Musk change his mind? Will one day Pepe Coin flip Dogecoin? Will one day Pepe Coin be the top one meme coin in the cryptocurrency world? And if Elon Musk would support it. Now this is what we want to see in this video here. So the first question we want to answer, what would it take for Pepe Coin to flip Dogecoin and bring the same results as Dogecoin brought? And is it possible? Now if we go to CoinMarketCap, we could see that this is a list of the top meme tokens by market capitalization, which means that they are ranked by how much capital is in each coin, basically their market cap. Now we see that so far Dogecoin is number one in the meme coins, followed right by Shiba Inu, and then right after it is Pepe Coin, and then on the fourth place is Floki. Pepe Coin has made a major move here to become the third best meme coin, flipping Floki and now going towards Shiba Inu. If you remember the last bull market, the 2021 bull market, if you were here, if you were not here, basically Dogecoin back then was around $83 billion market cap. Here is standing at a $10 billion market cap. Pepe Coin is around 600 million. So if we check Pepe's market cap chart, and we can see that Pepe made it up to 1,650 million. And now, as we've seen this recent sell-off on Pepe Coin, as soon as it got listed on Binance, Pepe Coin is trying to find some sort of a floor price, which makes us now stand around the $600 million market cap. Now, if we go back and see here that we have a Pepe Coin standing at $650 million market cap. As we know, the price does not matter. If Pepe Coin is $1, $2, $3, what matters is the market cap. To flip Dogecoin here, Pepe Coin needs another $9,400 million. And this would mean that if people are holding now Pepe Coin, they would see gains of more than 13, 14x returns just for Pepe Coin now to reach where Dogecoin is at right now. And if Pepe Coin pulls up the same results or the same gains as Dogecoin did before, this means that Pepe Coin needs to go towards the $80 billion market cap. And if we remember that Dogecoin reached an $83 billion market cap, the previous bull market, that could mean that Pepe Coin could way possibly pull a $60 billion market cap or an $80 billion market cap, which means that people that are holding Pepe Coin right now would pull off a 100x returns on their investment on Pepe Coin. So now keep in mind, this is just speculation, this is not financial advice, but we are doing it now. We are speculating on what Pepe could do and what are the possibilities. And if you are holding Pepe Coin now, and by the next bull market, if Pepe Coin reaches 60 billion or 80 billion, so to actually flip Dogecoin, we'll have to see gains that are way above $60 billion market cap, which means that from here we have 100x going on Pepe Coin here. So Pepe Coin should definitely be on the watch list here for the meme coins. And the second question is, can really Pepe realistically pull an $80 billion market cap? As we know so far, Binance has listed Pepe Coin and Floki. Binance is the biggest exchange, the biggest international exchange, and a lot of people are using it, so a lot of liquidity. And let's not forget that in the bull market, this means that a lot of people will have access or could buy Pepe Coin. And the main thing here for Pepe Coin is that if we keep seeing the hype, if we keep seeing the community growing, if we keep seeing that Pepe's team is still growing and it's still improving, still working on their project, and they do not abandon this project, Pepe Coin could pull a 60 or an $80 billion. And if the demand for Pepe Coin starts growing, that we could see that also Coinbase could get into the Pepe train as soon as they resolve their problems in the US now with regulators and everything they got going on. Now, as for the price action, we can see that if you are a holder and if you're just holding Pepe Coin for the long term, then the short-term volatility does not mean a lot to you. And all we can say is that if we get more dips, that's for the better. If it pumps, that's for the better. But a quick technical analysis, we can see that here Pepe Coin is still trying to find a floor price, basically, since we tapped into this area here where we could see that there is some sort of a liquidity. This pattern is usually very typical for any coin that just gets a huge pump and gets listed somewhere, where we see this pattern as that coins gets the first pump here and then they need some time to consolidate before going up for the next leg up. And this we could see also on SHIB once it got listed on Binance here back in 2021. And I remember that day so well that when SHIB got listed on Binance, we had a huge sell-off and followed by a long consolidation here before we saw the huge run-up that SHIB pulled, which was around the 10x from that ground floor here. As far as the short-term price action, one should not be too concerned, and one should be just considering to accumulate more if you are interested in the Pepe Coin project. As you can see here, the SHIB price action completely shows us what usually happens for these coins when they get listed on Binance. Usually that's the last step of their first pump before the second one happens. This gives a long period here where people can accumulate and have time to think and reflect and accumulate slowly before the huge run up that happens usually later on. This was in a bull market, so usually that's what we could see for Pepe Coin here happening in a bull market. Now as well, it's much fun when the market is trending and ranging like this. This is day traders heaven. Usually I love to day trade those movements here where I have a channel happening, which is pretty fun to make some money and accumulate coins that you're interested in while this happens. If you're a fan of trading, you can watch this video that is coming here. There are pretty simple strategy to day trade cryptocurrencies waiting for the moves up. Cheers.